Everyone's running ads the same way on Amazon. Want to know what the smart sellers are doing differently? I'll be showing you it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's say we sell portable campfires, right? And we're trying to dominate the market and run Amazon ads, have a different strategy than the competitors. And right now we can see this one's making $24,000 a month and this one's making $900 a month. And let's just say this is our item. We want to increase sales, right? We want to run ads and make our ads profitable, and we want to know what's the strategy, what's trending. And the biggest thing right now is going to be utilizing a tool called Helium 10. It's right in the description for a free trial. But they do have a tool called Magnet. So you could copy the competitors' keywords and things like that manually, or you can find new keywords to rank for. So right now our product is a portable campfire. We're going to be putting it into Magnet right here. And once we put it into Magnet, then we're going to click Get Keywords. And what it's going to do is find suggestions that people are typing in that's similar to our product, our keyword, which is a portable campfire. So once it's going to give us a lot of different data, but all we're going to do is filter it by search volume. And we can see right here, if we rank for the keyword camping essentials, then we could get potentially an extra 175,000 views a month on Amazon. So we could run a broad match, phrase match, and exact match, specifically an exact match sponsored products campaign towards this keyword. We can also put this keyword in our title because our product is technically a camping essential. So it could be used on a camping trip for food, right? And it's much smaller and easier to use than, let's see, this propane, right? So, and our price is better than our competitors. Our reviews are better than our competitors. So if we double down on this one keyword, we could potentially get seen by an extra 175,000 people a month. And I can guarantee you, if we look at our competitor, they're probably not even ranking or using the keyword camping essentials. So if we didn't have this tool, we wouldn't be able to figure out this keyword, right? So if I do camping essentials, camping, they're ranking for camping, but they don't have essentials, right? So they only have camping. They don't have camping essentials. So what we would do is we put it in our title, we'd put it in our bullet points, we'd run an exact match campaign towards this, and potentially get an extra 170,000 views a month extra, which could help us, dominate on Amazon, especially if the competitor isn't using those keywords and isn't ranking for these keywords. Number 2 is putting the best keywords in your title and images. Now we just talked about finding new keywords using Helium 10 Magnet. This one, you're going to pull actual data directly from Amazon to see what keywords are doing the best. Then making sure they're in your title, they're in your bullet points, your images, right? That's going to help you double down on what's working. Let me explain. So what you're going to do is go into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go into the Advertising Campaign Manager tab. If you're already running ads, what you're going to do is go to Measurement and Reporting and go to Sponsored Ads Reports. Then you're going to click Create a Report, and you're going to download a sponsored product search term report of the last 30 days. Run that report. Once you download it, it's going to have tons of data, right? It's going to look like this. But this actually shows you exactly what the customers are typing in to purchase your product. So what we're going to do is we're going to click column number 1. We're going to filter this data. And then we're going to scroll to the right. And you can filter it down even more. But what we're going to look at is pretty much Q and J. Right? These are the main columns I want to be looking at right now. Now, what we want to do is find smallest to largest. We want to find the smallest ACoS with the highest amount of sales. Okay, so if we go through this, this one has 10% ACoS and a high amount of sales. This one has 179 sales. Okay, so here's a good one. Biodegradable thank you bags, 500 count. So people are typing this in. We spent 73 cents and people are typing this in and we made $170. So that means that this could potentially be a good keyword where we can be, if it's not in our title, if biodegradable thank you bags 500 account isn't in our title, it's not in our bullet points, we should be adding it there and doubling down on the keywords that work. This is the exact keyword that a customer typed in, found our listing, we spent 73 cents in Amazon ads, and we generated $170. Why wouldn't we double down? But I do want to mention, we want to have something that has a high amount of sales. So let's go to the highest amount of sales. Okay, so this is biodegradable grocery bags, right? So our ACoS is 20%, which is a little bit high compared to the other ACoS. But again, this is what people are typing this in a lot, 1,000 impressions. So 1,600 in the last 30 days. 20 clicks, we spent $2 per click, and then we spent $48 altogether, made $236. So if people are typing this in, we want to show up organically for this as well. So we can double down, pull this report, make sure that this keyword, because this is a really good keyword, because it has a lot of impressions, a lot of clicks, put this one in our title. Here's another one. This is the one we already spoke about, and then there's other ones here. And there's ASINs retargeting, so we can look at them to see what to do better. But right now we're looking at just keywords, not ASINs. Last but not least is doubling down and starting Amazon video ads. So here's an example of a video ad right here. So it takes up a large part of Amazon, and you can see how to create it in this bottom video right here. So you're gonna go to Amazon, go to sponsored brands, click continue, and then you're gonna make a video campaign. Video campaigns convert extremely well. It doesn't have to be super professional because nobody's doing it. And if I was running a keyword ad, so if I was running biodegradable grocery bags for sponsored products, which is a regular Amazon ad, and I ran the same exact keyword for a video ad, it's usually cheaper to run it for video ads because almost nobody's running video ads. So that is a special pro tip right here. And again, if you don't know what a video ad is, you can come here, type in toothbrush or something, and then you'll see like there's a video that showcases what a toothbrush is, right? My computer's going a little slow, so you can't see the video playing. Oh, there it goes. But it takes up a huge amount of space. So it just has to be decent. You could hire somebody to help you create the video, but something is better than nothing here. And as of right now, there's almost no competitors running video ads. So this is the time to double down on that. But that's it for today's video. Got any questions about Amazon PPC? Drop them in the comments below and I'll share with you a future video answering it. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our Amazon PPC management service. This is where we'll manage your Amazon ads. We'll also review and optimize your listings or give you recommendations on how to make sure your ACoS gets lower, because it does matter your listing. We'll implement new strategies, help you get the video ads going, and monitor it every single day to help you reach your goal. The benefit of this service is you don't have to keep pulling reports or figure out why is my ads not working when we can do it for you. Save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.